Dialysis is what you call as hemodialysis. This is something we all know, but there is something called as hemodiafiltration. So that's called as HDF. Now that works in a similar way to dialysis. So what happens in dialysis is basically the smaller molecules, that is your toxins, gets removed. But you have your larger and mid-sized molecules also if in the blood that needs to be exported because your kidney doesn't work, right? So dialysis basically cleaning out your toxins and blood. So if those bigger molecules stay in your blood, it goes to different parts of your body, gets lodged in it, and you have different symptoms that comes, right? So that is why HDF works in such a way that it also clears out the medium size and the larger size molecules, and it flushes out the toxins, and that actually improves your prognosis. And the patient is, so we have had patient who have had stopped taking any other medicine and just was an HD. That was Diasporic. And I have personal experience with my mom. So my mom couldn't even get up from the bed after dialysis, but with HDF, she was able to walk through daily chores and everything. Of course, she had a lot of other complications and COVID came. So because of that, but I would say so HDF is something which is very unexplored area. It has come recently in the market, but yeah, it is costly. So one session is about 4,000 to 5,000. And that is something, it's a pinch for the people. So I think that is one of the areas that we need to work on because again, the products used for this the main product is there's one, bag that we need to put into it. It consists of certain chemicals that is being exported. But now I think Nephroplus is already working on it. But yes, the cost factor is still a pinch. And if that works out, it is really a great therapy to work. And the last is CRRT. That's for the chronic patients, not just for the kidney, but any kind of patients who are in the life-threatening stages and the sepsis or. So that is a 48 hours therapy, and the cost for one session is somewhere from 30 to 40,000. So again, the cost factor for both of this therapy is our main challenge. But if that is something we can work on, the prognosis is really good for both of these therapies.